Okay, you are live now, ma'am. You can
Thank
start.
you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this session. So, let me share my screen first. Okay. So, is my screen visible? I'm sure like my screen is visible right now. We are going to learn today method of adjustment. What is it? Have you like seen while working in tele? Always when we pass the transaction of purchase and when we pass the transaction of sale, or when we make the payment, or will we uh, receive the amount, or debit note and credit. On these kind of transaction, we already seen this kind of thing, that is method of adjustment. Always be one screen is there that asks, what is the method of adjustment? Is it the advance? Is it the new reference? Is it the against reference or on account? Okay. So I'm sure from last 3 to 4 days, we are working on tele. And if you worked whatever the exercise I already provided to you, then you have seen this word, these kind of things, these method of adjustment screen. The first is advance, new reference, against reference, and on account. Actually, what is it? What is it? These are only in the case of bill wise detail, then we can check the method of adjustment. Otherwise, this screen will not be there. So first is a advance. Advance means suppose we are receiving the advance amount from the debtor, but still sales is not there. Still sales is not there, and we are taking the advance from debtor, or we are making the payment in advance to creditors. In that case, we have to take the reference, that is advance. In that case, Tele will generate a one reference of advances. And while purchasing from the creditor or while selling to the debtor, we have to take the against reference. In that case, we have to select the against reference. But if both the cases are not there, neither advances are there nor against reference is there. Because see, if we don't have the advances, then we cannot select the against reference. If we don't have any reference, if we don't make any, if we are not like, still we haven't any purchase from creditor, or if still we haven't any sale to the debtor, then we cannot take the against reference. So in that case, new reference should be there. And on account means we don't want to maintain the bill wise detail. These are very important while purchasing or sale or debit note, credit note, or making the payment or receiving the amount. Okay, so we are going to start this thing in our tele. We'll check these options in our tele. So again, let me share the screen of tele. Wait a minute, tele is going to open. Okay, continue in educational mode. For this, I'm going to create a new company. So first, I'm going to shut the company, whatever the company is open, and I'm going to create a new company. Create a company. Then I should specify the path, whatever the path I'm using from last sessions. C:/Kavita/online sessions. This is my location on which we used to save the, I used to save my companies. Okay. Now, example. Madhya Pradesh, there is no need to change the financial year. financial year beginning from, it should be the 1st April 24. And please remember, I always instruct you, do not mention the ending period. Financial year beginning from 1st April 24 and ending in 31st March 25. But while creating the company, you should not mention the end of the period. You should always mention the financial year beginning from. Okay, because company is going on process. It never be the shutting down. Okay, Control A. Now these are the features. First of all, I should disable the GST. Now this is the main feature which I am going to tell you, which is I am going to teach you in this session. That is enable bill-wise entry. This is very important feature, that is enable bill-wise entry. This should be yes. So please check if you are working simultaneously, then please check whether it is yes or no. You should set yes, Control A. Now, when you create the ledger purchase account, it should be under purchase, then no bill-wise feature is there, but the moment you create the creditor, that is local creditor account, in that case, it should be under sundry creditor, isn't it? If you have still doubt which group should I select, then please raise the query, because these are the basic things. So you okay, these are the basic things. I told you earlier, these are according to the ACE, our accounting standard. Whatever the heads should be in the financial statements, these are known as groups. Okay, enter. Then you can check the feature of maintain balance bill by bill. This is very important feature. Okay, so you should set yes. And what should be the credit period? It depends upon the company policy because it varies company to company. It's not necessary it should be the 15. It can be the 10, it can be the 5, it can be the 20. Then press Control A. Then sales account should be under sales. Then local debtor account, and it should be under sundry debtor. Then 15 days credit. Is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt in it? Only I created the 4 ledger. Okay. And what feature I am going to describe here? That is bill wise detail. That is maintain balance bill by bill. And that is very important feature in Tally. Right? So we are going to start. So again, I'm going to start the working on Tally. First of all, I should create a one stock item so that I can make the purchase and I can make the sales. Stock item, computers. And I should create a one unit, that is unit of measurement. That is again a very compulsory. If you have the inventory, then inventory item should be there. And in the inventory item, you should select the unit of measurement. By default, there is no unit of measurement in Tally. So you should create a one unit of measurement. Create numbers. And I'm going to create a simple unit. Still, I'm going to create the simple unit. Later on, we will check what is the compound unit. And the formal name is numbers. No decimal place is there. Is it clear? Now, escape. Now, I want to enter the transaction and I want to maintain the bill-wise detail. I want to maintain the bill-wise detail. So first, I'm going to enter the purchase transaction. That is F9. For purchase, that is F9. Okay. Now, the first thing is invoice number. You should mention the invoice number. Invoice number 01. Enter party name. Party name is local creditor. Control A, Control A, and purchase. Then suppose I purchase the computer. How many computer I purchased? 10. And what is the rate? That is 40,000 rupees. Enter, enter, enter. Now no other item I want to purchase on this invoice, because on same invoice I can purchase more than one items. More than one items. For example, suppose I'm having the computers, I'm having the laptops, I'm having the mobile phones. Then I can purchase, if the creditor is same, party is same, then I can purchase more than one item on the same invoice. Okay, but presently I don't have any item. I'm having only one item. Enter, enter. See, this is the thing which I'm going to teach you on this session. Method of adjustment. Please listen carefully. Concentrate on the screen. Bill-wise detail for local creditors. Advance, against reference, new reference, and on account. So what should I select here? Please answer me. What should I select here? Answer me. What should I select? Please do not write any, apart from the query related to session, do not raise any query. I'll give you all of things, whatever you want to know. Okay, like email ID and everything. I know you are regularly asking me to you should send me the assignments. I'll tell you, but first just concentrate on the screen. Yes, Deepika, correct. It should be the new reference. In the students who are attending the session, have you are you getting why I need to select the new reference? Because this is the first time purchase, which is from local creditor. New reference, and that should be the invoice number 01. Enter, enter, enter. Right? Now again I am going to purchase from the same creditor, but on 1st May. In the invoice number 02. Enter, enter. Now the same creditor is there, local creditor, controlling. Purchase is there. Now the item is computer. Now this time the item is laptops. Here is number controlling. Now the laptops I already also purchased, the number of laptops are 10, 65,000. Enter, 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 enter. Now again new reference. Is it correct? New reference is correct or against reference? What should I select? New reference or against reference? New or against? Fast answer me. Because this is the second bill, huh? So again new reference should be there. Okay, again new reference should be there. So I'm going to select the new reference, then enter, enter, enter. If I wish, then I can purchase the 2 items apart from the only for the laptop. Only I don't want to purchase the laptops. I should purchase the computers over here also. 10. Then also the new reference should be there. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Fine. Now same thing will happen while selling the items. While selling the items, but in the sale, I'll tell you in the later on session. But first, now suppose we are making the payment to the creditor. We are making the payment to the creditor. So local creditor should be debit, but it is not showing me the bill list of bills. Okay, it is not showing me the bills. So I told you in the sessions already, I taught you 2 keys are very important. The first one is a F11 key, that is used for the company feature. The second one is a F12 key, that is used for the What is it? F12 key is used for the F12 key. F12 key. F11 and F12. F11 is key used for the company features and F12 key is used for the configuration. Okay, so just press F12 key. And if you are having the laptops, then I told you in the laptops, F12 key will not directly work. You have to press function key. Otherwise, if you wish, then you can first switch off the function keys. Then there is an option of pre-allocated bills for payment received in general. Pre-allocated bills for payment received in general. Please, student, concentrate on this screen. Okay, this is the F12 screen. F12 is used for the configuration. Whatever the option I want to check on the screen. For that, I should press the F12 key. Okay, so that should be the yes. Control A. Enter. Now you can check. Now here we should select the against reference because we are making the payment against the invoice numbers against reference. Now it is showing me the two bills. One is of 1st April and second is of 1st May. Now I want to make the partial payment. I want to make the partial payment. Okay, partial one payment for invoice number 1, I want to make the payment of 2 lakh rupees, 50%. And for another bill, again against reference. Second bill, for second bill, again I want to make the payment of 50%. So here should be 5,25,000. I don't want to make the complete payment. Okay, enter, enter, enter. Now you can select the cash. If you have cash, then you can select the cash. If you don't have the cash, then you can select the bank because cash or bank. Definitely two things are there. Cash. Though it is giving me the negative cash. Why it is giving me the negative cash? Because still I don't have any cash. Okay. So let it be negative cash. Enter, enter. Now I am going to enter the capital entry. F2, 1st April. Alt C, capital account. It should be under capital. It is 50 lakh. Then cash. Then it automatically adjusting the cash. We make the payment of 7,25,000 and it is showing me the cash balance of 42,75,000. Is it clear? Business started with cash. Is it clear? Any doubt? I passed the 4 transactions. Any doubt in these transactions? Any doubt in these transactions? What is new reference? What is against reference? I am sure it is clear. What is new reference? What is against reference? It is clear? Okay, so shall we move? Okay, fine. So 1621 attendees are there. Please answer me. If I am raising the question, then please answer me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Unnati, like exactly you want to know? Okay, fine. Fine, fine. I'm repeating the transactions, okay? Because so many students are like raising the query. Please repeat it. Okay, so I'm going to repeat it. Because see, what presently we check the references with the example of purchase. Now we are going to check the same thing with the example of sales. Third transaction. Okay. Chandresh, please wait. I am repeating it. Gopi, I told you na, like I already told in the class, if you are having the laptops, then it will not, the function key will not run directly. Function will not work directly. It will work with the help of function key, Fn. There is a one key between the control and alt left side. Function key. Function plus function keys. Okay. Too many messages are there now. Yeah, Siddhant, I am going to explain again because now I'll enter the sales transaction with the same example. Okay. Fine. Please write relevant messages. Enter the relevant messages, huh? Regarding the registration number and anything. Please do not enter the messages. Okay. So again, we are going to start our. See, same thing we are going to learn with the sales. Now, suppose I want to suppose the local, I want to sell to the local datas. I want to generate the bills because local data, I sold the items to the local datas. I sold the items to the local datas. So how? Because see, same thing I have to use new reference against reference on advance and on account. We will check later on. So first, what is the shortcut key for the sale? F8. Then local data. The party should be local data. And if you have these details, that is delivery note, dispatch doc number, dispatched through, destination, courier name or agent, bill of lading, and motor vehicle number, then you can enter all these things. Otherwise, just press Ctrl A. And here, if you wish to enter the addresses, then you can enter the address. Otherwise, you should press Ctrl A. Then sales account. And if you want to change the date, then press F2, 2nd May. Then I sold the computers, 5 computers at the rate of 62,500. Calculation will be there because in a Tally embedded calculation feature is there. This is known as embedded calculation. Calculation will automatically there enter. And I already sold the laptops, 5 laptops, 75,500. Okay, enter, enter, enter. Now there is an option of bill of method of adjustment. Why this screen is there? I told you, if you created the local data under the sundry debtors, then there is an option of maintain balance bill by bill. Still, if you are not finding this feature, then press F11 key. Still, if you are not finding this feature, then press F11 key. Second option should be yes. That is enable bill by entries. Because see, so many I saw so many students disable this feature. So this feature will not there. Which one? Maintain balance bill by bill. This should be yes. So first you should check F11 key. Second is maintain enable bill wise entry. Control A. Then maintain balance bill by bill. Then according to the credit policy, how many days you provided data to receive the payment. Okay, then press Control A. Control A. Control A. Now, after like items, after completing the items, enter. It is asking for one more item, but I don't have the one more item, then enter. Then like below the total, the cursor is there. Again, press enter. Then you will get this screen. That is method of adjustment. Now, out of like 4 methods are there: advance, against reference, new reference, and on account. What should I select? I should select a new reference because this is the first time I am selling to the local datas. I'm selling to items to the local datas. Okay, so this is the first time. So that's why I'm generating a one bill, that is sales 01. And 6,90,000 is a debit balance. Okay, total sales, total bill amount is 6,90,000. Is it clear? Now, while receiving the amount, F2, 1st June, 1st June, data like gave me the payment. Okay, so there is a one shortcut key for the receipt, F6. F6. In the F6, first you should select the local data, because what will be the entry? What will be the entry? See, I'm I know all of you are the accountant students, accounts students. Okay, and then accounts, there is no need to give the understanding of accounting. There is no need to understand giving the understanding of accounting. So this is by default, I am assuming like you are having the knowledge of accounting. So what will be the entry while receiving the amount? What will be the entry while receiving the amount? What will be the entry? Cash account debit to debtor. Cash account debit to debtor. So I'm in the type of transaction should be receipt. Type of transaction should be receipt. This is the voucher types. These are the voucher types. How many voucher types are there in Tally? 24 voucher types. So first you should select local data. Suppose you are not getting this list of method of adjustment. So again, there is an option in the F12 key. That is pre-allocated bills for payment received in general contract. Okay, Control A. Now you are getting the list of. Okay, now suppose see, presently it is giving me only the one bill, because still only one sales is there. To the local data, only one sales is there. Now suppose I'm escaping it. Now again, I sold the items to the local data. So second bill should be there, F8. Then party name, local data. Control A, Control A. Then sales account. And again, I sold computers 2. Amount, like the rate will be automatically extracted from the database. Once you sell the items, okay, once you sell the item, then automatically database store your rate. So it is extracting the rate from the database. You can change the rate from here. Enter, enter, then laptops. Again, you sold the laptops too. Rate is automatically there. Then you should generate again the reference, new reference, that is sales 02. Is it clear? I'm asking the query to whom? Student who want to explain it again, because at the time of purchase, I'm getting the so many questions from the students. Please repeat it. Please repeat it. Is it clear? How to change value after being, yeah, I'm going to tell you how to alter the data is account receivable. Yes. Okay. So see, now we are having two bills of the datas. Local datas have two bills. Okay. So while receiving the amount from the local data, suppose he paid me the amount, partial amount. He paid me the partial amount, in partial amount against sales 01 also and against sales 02 also. So I can select the both the bill. It depends. If he like paid me partial amount against only the one bill, then I can select only one bill. If he paid me the partial amount against both the bill, then I can select both the bills. Like suppose for against the sales 01, he paid me 2,50,000. And against bill number 2, he paid me the 1 lakh rupees. Total he paid me the 3 lakh rupees. Total he paid me the 3,50,000 rupees cash. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. I'm sure new and against. The simple case is clear. Just if you like want to know any other thing, then please raise. Please write down the query. See, whatever the sales entry is there, same thing is a purchase entry. Just try it, Varun. Otherwise, I'll give you the explanation again. Just try it by yourself, because today I'm going to give you again the one exercise for the sale and purchase referencing. Okay. Fine. So I'm sure the new reference and against reference is clear. Again, if the debit note and credit note is there, suppose I can check from here. See, there is a one shortcut key. Okay. Display more reports, account books, ledgers. I want to check the local creditor account. Alt F1 is a shortcut key for the detail mode, and Alt F2 for the period. So local creditors purchase 10 computers first, then 10 computers again, then, and he already paid me the 7,25,000. So totally purchased the 20 computers. But he want to refund me. He want to return some computers due to the damaged piece. Due to the damaged piece. So how can I record it? How can I record it? Please tell me. How can I record it? See, if you wish, then you can check the stock summary also. How many computers I am having? 13 computers. And local creditor wants to return me 2 computers. Then what kind of transaction it is and which voucher I should select? What kind of transaction it is, which voucher I should select? Yes, through debit note. Harikesh, thank you so much. Exactly, through debit note. So I'm going to record the transaction through debit note. So what is the shortcut key for the debit note? Alt F5. Alt F5. For debit note, again, you have to select the local creditors, because party who is going to return you, that is the local creditor. Now, on which against which invoice number he is going to return me? Invoice number 01. Control A and purchase. Now, I told you in the previous session, here should be the purchase return account. So Alt C, purchase return account. This is only for the format purpose, display purpose. In the P&L, it is not. Otherwise, it will give me the net purchase. There should be the purchase minus purchase return. Control A. Now he returned me the computers. How much computers he returned me? 2. Enter, 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 enter. Now against reference again. On which bill, through which bill he want to return me? Because see, if I select, if I'm not selecting here the bill, then I cannot clarify on how much amount pending for which bill. So if he return me against invoice number 1, okay, then the presently invoice number bill remaining is 2 lakh rupees, and he is returning me 80,000 rupees. So on invoice number 1,20,000 rupees is remaining. Okay, otherwise I cannot give the clarification on which bill how much amount is remaining. So in the time of interest calculation, definitely will face some problem. Enter, enter. I'm sure everybody understood new reference against reference. New reference against reference. Is it clear? New reference against reference. No, Kunal, could credit note. If sales return is there, then credit note should be there. And if purchase return is there, then debit note should be there. See, whatever the purchase for me, then definitely sales for the party. And if the sales for me, then purchase for the party. Okay. Anything else regarding the new reference and against reference? That's it. New reference and against reference. New reference against reference is clear. Now I'm going to tell you about the advances. Which advances? Okay. So when we should select the advance? Now suppose I'm having a one more customer. That is Ronald Limited. Okay. Enter. It is again my sundry debtor. In the credit period is 15 days. Now, Ronald debtor, see, sometimes it happens. Suppose he came to Indore. He came to Indore because he is outsider. He is not a local. He is outsider. He came to Indore, right? Like company is situated in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and he came to Indore, and he feels like he have the extra amount of 1 lakh rupees, and he want to purchase in future. But presently, because of he is having the cash, extra money, so he want to pay me the money in advance, because he know he will purchase the items from my company, but presently due to the, like, because he is having the money, extra money, so he want to pay me. So I should record the receipt. I should record the transaction type receipt, and he pay me in advance. So how I can record the transaction? Ronald. How much amount I am receiving? I am receiving in the advance. I am receiving in the advance ADV 01. I created a one reference, that is ADV 01. He pay me 1,50,000 rupees. Enter, enter. And cash. Okay. He paid me in cash and he paid me in advance. Cash in advance. Here you should write down received advance from Ronald. Okay. But still the purchase is not, like for Ronald, purchase is not there. Now next month on 1st of July. 1st of July. Now he came and he purchased the 3 computers. 5 computers. He purchased the 5 computers. So I should generate the bill again. So how I can generate the bill? For generating the bill, I should record the sales. I should record the sales. Then party name is Ronald. Control A, sales. And he purchased the computer. How many computers? 5 computers. And now the bill is generating 3 lakh with amount 3,12,500. The bill is generating for the amount 3,12,500. Out of 3,12,500, he already paid me in advance. How much? 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So enter, enter, enter. I should first select the against reference. Against which reference? This reference. So 1,50,000, I should cross this reference, enter. Now for rest, I should generate a new reference. Is it clear? For rest, I should generate the new reference. Enter, enter. Sales 03. Is it clear? How many students understood? Please. Got it? Got it? Still, if you have doubt, then please. Rudra, now understood? Rudra, because your query was there. Understood the things? Says written in P. Okay. Debit note, credit note, I am going to give you the explanation. I am reading your messages. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to record the credit note. For what credit note is used? For which kind of transaction credit note should be used? Yes. Very good. Okay. So I am going to record the credit note for the sales return. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Thanks for the, and that's mean you are attentive in the class. Okay. Your messages shows that you are attending in the class. You are concentrate on the work, whatever is going on. Okay. Now sales return. Now again, Ronald return me. Out of 5 computers, he returned me the 2 computers, and out of 2 laptops, he returned me the 1 laptop. So what should I generate? Credit note. For credit note, there is a shortcut key, Alt F6. Alt F6. Party name, that is local Ronald. Enter, Control A, Control A. Then if I'm not going to create the sales return account, it is sales. Okay. Just assume like I'm not going to create the sales return account. So what would be the effect? Now he returned me the computers, enter. How much computers he returned me? 2. And laptops. How much? 1. Enter. Now against reference. Against which reference he returned me? Says 03. Says 03. And see, says 03, 1,62,000 is there. Why 1,62,000 is there? Because we adjusted the advance amount now. Try to understand, we adjusted the advance amount. Though the purchase was 3,12,500, but 1,50,000, for 1,50,000 we, because he paid me in advance. So we already adjusted now. We already adjusted. Is it? And then again, new reference should be there for 38,000. So 2 lakh out of, okay, we'll check the account of Ronald. Display more reports, account books, ledger, Ronald ledger. Okay, see, first we received 1,50,000 in advance. Then he purchased 3,12,500. He returned me the like items value total valued of 2,05,500. So we have to generate a reference for that, na? Now the closing balance is 38,000. 38,000. Is it because he only kept the item of 38,000? See, two computers here. See, first you should check the sales. Oh, compute laptop was not there. So I should end of list against this reference. Says 03. How much? 1,25,000. Enter, enter. Now it is correct. Is it clear? Now only 37,500 is remaining. 1,50,000 he already paid me in advance. Is it clear? Now all the references are complete. All the references are complete. See, on account, when we don't want to maintain the bill-wise detail, in that case only on account is selected. Otherwise, you should select a new reference against reference in advance. Now, what is the effect if we didn't create if the sales return account is not there? Sales return is not there. Then what will be the effect? You can check in the P&L. You can check in the P&L. See, this is the P&L. Now here, you cannot check the sales return. To checking the sales return, you have to press enter here. Then you can check 1,25,000 is a sales return. But you want, according to the accounting standard format, you want in the P&L, it should show the sales minus sales return. So only in that case, while creating the credit note, you should create the sales return account. Or see, sales return account. It should be under sales. Because see, sales is debited. Sales account is because in the credit note, sales account debit to customer. No? So sales should be debit, but the name should be different. Sales return should be there. Control it. Then only it will show sales minus sales return. Now you can check sales minus sales return. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now we completed the referencing. We completed the referencing. Any doubt? Any doubt? Come on fast. No? No, Soumya, sales return may be new reference because if firstly we adjusted the amount while selling, now he is returning me, then first we should adjust against reference. Okay, and then we have to generate the new reference. But yes, it is very typical case. It is a very typical case. Yes, हमेशा अगेंस्ट रेफरेंस ही होगा. बट सपोज करें उसने मुझे 1,50,000 का एडवांस दिया था, राइट? और उसने मुझसे क्या किया, 3 लाख रुपए की सेल ले ली. अब क्या हुआ, 1,50,000 आई एडजस्टेड. ओके, 1,50,000 का रेफरेंस जनरेट हो गया. अब उसने माल मुझे रिटर्न कर दिया 2 लाख का. अब क्या होगा बताओ, क्योंकि रेफरेंस तो उसका सिर्फ 1,50,000 का पड़ा हुआ है, तो फिर हमें न्यू रेफरेंस करना ही पड़ेगा ना. Are you getting, Soumya? Because your query is there. Twice time you return this query कि मैम कैसे हो सकता है न्यू रेफरेंस. पर आप सोचे ना, in that case against उसका एडवांस पड़ा रहेगा ना. Is it clear? Pre-sample na, uh, please have patience. Later on, we will check all the things. Sales return should be under sales group. This one, sales return should be under sales group because the account should be same. Because when you want to pass the credit note entry or sales return entry, the entry will be sales account debit to customer. So sales group should be debited, but the name should be different because we want P&L should show sales minus sales return. That's why we created the sales return account. Okay. Arun Kumar, Alt F5 is a shortcut key for the debit note. स्टॉक डिलीट करने के लिए सिंपल ऑल्ट डी करना पड़ता है. बट सपोज यू ऑलरेडी पास द एंट्री, you already purchased the computer, then you cannot delete the computers. Computer is your stock item. Now you cannot delete because you already purchased the computer. Now how it is possible after using you want to delete it? If it is unused item, then only you can delete it. Okay. If it is unused, Dev, please listen carefully. Dev Gulbani, your query is how to delete a stock item. To delete the stock item, just go to the Gateway of Tally, alter stock item and select the stock item and press Alt D. But if you used that stock item, like if you purchase that stock item or if you sell that stock item, then you cannot delete it. So if it is unused, then you can delete it. It is going too fast. Dave, it is clear? How can we create the stock item? Strange. Today is the like 4 to 5 class. I already gave you the clarification. Okay, right. I understood. Now you want like explanation should be in English. Now, yeah. Because see, I got the some query in Hindi, so that's why I replied in Hindi. Measurement unit. See, to create the measurement unit, there is an option under create. Create inventory master, then unit. Okay. Okay. Advanced paid. Okay. Okay. I'm going to give you the like presently I'm like checking all the queries, then I'll explain all the queries. Okay. I give you the explanation against the queries. See, if the complete returns are there, now one query is there. Veena, you are saying if I received the amount in advance and I got complete return. Okay, let me do that transaction, that kind of transaction. Daybook, I deleted the credit note first. Alt D is a shortcut key to delete. Now, Ronald, I sold the 5 computers to the Ronald. And I adjusted the advance amount also. Okay, I adjusted the advance amount also. Now suppose he returned me the complete stock items. 5 computers he returned me. So I should pass the credit note. Alt F6. Then Ronald sales return in computers. 5 complete computers he returned me. Okay, complete computer. So first I should select the against reference and I should create a new reference, or I can create the advanced reference, that is ADV 01. But again I generated a one advanced reference, that is 1,50,000. And if the policy is there, I can refund the advance amount also. How I can refund the advance amount to the debtors? By making the F5 payment. Ronald debit against this reference to cash. See, now Roland account is nil, square off. Now Ronald account is squared off. He gave me in advance after purchasing from my company. He feels like my computer quality is not up to the mark. He returned me complete stock. So I generated again a one reference, that is advance. And I make the payment against that advance. That's it. Remembered, whatever the accounting concept you have, only you have to use that concept. Okay, only you have to use that concept. Though this is the software, only we have to learn how can we enter the transaction in the software. That's it. Is it clear? Is it clear? I'm okay. I'm like checking your queries. If any query is remaining, then I'll give you the answer. Okay. I'm sure like now the complete transactions is understood by the students who is attending the webinar. Is it clear? Everything is clear now? Thank you so much, Siddharth. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Anybody have some query? Otherwise, I'll give you the another explanation of another feature. Anybody have any queries? Credit note in voucher mode. Yes, you can pass the credit note in voucher mode. Harikesh, I got a one query from Harikesh. Ma'am, could we pass the credit note in voucher mode? Yes, we can pass the credit note in voucher mode. 3 modes are there. Item invoice, accounting invoice, and voucher mode. You can pass the entry in voucher mode. No issue. Anything else? Anybody who want to ask something? I'm giving you the 5 to 10 minutes. Do it with yourself if you are having the laptops. Okay. Pritam, you want the reference option under debit note, credit note. It is not open. So just press F12 key. In a F12 key, There is an option pre-allocated bills. Just open it. Yes, Krish. 2 lakh and payment is 2.5, then 50 lakh is again advance. Yes. There is no difference between Tally and Tally Prime. Both are the accounting software. Only versions are different. Okay. So options are different. Right. So I'm going for the next last. And like in the referencing last entries, I'm going to explain you. That is in case of payment, advance payment. Okay. So first I should create a one creditor. That is Charles. Charles Technology. You can Choice Technology. Okay. Choice Technologies. This is your creditor. Okay. From whom you purchase the computers. So it should be under sundry creditors. 15 days credit period. Control it. Now, because of the policy, like Charles policy is, if I want to purchase from the Charles, then Charles company policy is first they should take the advance from my company. The first they should take the advance from my company. So I should pay the advance to the Charles Technology. So how can I pay the advance to the Charles Technologies? See, it is coming. If it is not coming, then two options are there. First, from here you can check Control Enter by pressing the Control Enter key. Control Enter key, you should check maintain balance bill by bill. That should be yes. Okay, it is yes. Second, press F12 key. There is an option of pre-allocated bills for payment received general voucher. It should be yes. Then only you will get here the list of method of adjustment. Then here, what should I select? We should select advance. Advance -01. Enter. Enter. How much advance I provided? Like I'm going to pay the advance 2 lakh rupees in advance. I'm going to pay 2 lakh rupees in advance. Enter, enter, enter. Then 2 cash. Definitely. Enter. Payment made in advance. Is it clear? Now, next month, 1st August. Now I want to purchase the computers. Then F9. To record the purchase, press F9 key. Because transaction type is purchase. So voucher should be purchase. Invoice number 3. Enter. Enter. This is the transaction data, please. Then Choice Technology. Control A. Control A. Then purchase account. Then computers. I purchased the computers, 20 computers. The bill is 8 lakh rupees. And out of 8 lakh rupees, I already made the payment in advance. So I should adjust that advance amount. How? See, first you should select against reference. It is giving you the reference. It is giving you the reference. Enter. Then see, in this bill, you already paid the 2 lakh rupees. So first you should enter the amount 2 lakh rupees. For 2 lakh rupees, you adjusted against the advance. Then for rest, you have to generate a new invoice number. 6 lakhs rupees. Is it clear? I'm sure now it is clear. I'm sure. Okay, fine. So should I like close this topic? That is referencing. And on account, when you don't want to maintain the bill wise details, so just select the on account. That's it. Fine. Did I complete it? How do we modify the advance amount? Yes, you can modify the advance amount. You can modify the advance amount, Priyanshu. See, escape, daybook. Then you enter the advance amount entry in, I think so, July. So Alt F2, change the period, 1st July to 1st August. So this is the advance payment, choice technology. Enter. Then you can modify the amount. For example, suppose say if it is 1,50,000. Then only you need, also you can check this purchase. Because here 1,50,000 should be adjusted, na? We adjust here the 2 lakh rupees. So that's why it is giving me the 50,000 credit. So I should adjust the 1,50,000 rupees. Now it is 6,50,000. Is it clear? Priyanshu? Now I'm sure now you satisfied. Audit trail, I'll give you the understanding, na Dinesh? Please have patience. In the later on sessions, we will like do all the things like audit and like user creation, everything. Okay. Okay. Now we are moving to the next feature. Next. Now, this is known as a two-way check. This is known as a two-way check. What is two-way check? First, I generate a one reference against the bill or against the invoice. And then I make the payment against that bill, invoice, okay, or bill. Now, three-way check. What is three-way check? 3 steps purchase or 3 steps sales. Anybody know what is 3-step and what is 3-step sale or what is 3-step purchase? Anybody knows? Can you answer me? See, on account, Tejaswar, on account means we don't want to maintain the bill wise detail. So in that case, you have to select the on account, okay? Anybody knows 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, what is it? 2 steps we completed. We generate the invoice number and against that invoice number, we make the payment, whether it is advance or whatever. Now we want to move in the 3-step purchase. What is it? Anybody knows? 3-step purchase is what? What is 3-step purchase? Just try it, try it. I'm giving you 5 minutes. What is 3-step purchase? 3-step. Three-step purchase or 3-step. In the case of purchase, 3 steps are there, or in the case of sales, 3 steps should be there. What is it? Give me the like answer. Just try it. 2-step, 3-step, what is it? Krish, there is no effect in the ledgers. The effect will be same. The P&L and balance sheet, no effect. But only the thing is, you have to follow the procedures. You have to follow the procedures. Look, what is your query? I'm not ignoring the anybody queries, huh? No, a discount allowed is not known as a step, huh? I'll give you, I'm giving you the example of discount allowed also, huh? No, Deepika, sales through agent. Now, yes. And now, purchase order. Yes, very good, very good. Purchase order. If our policy says before purchasing, you should generate the PO, purchase order, then purchase, then payment. So that is known as 3-step purchase. Very good. Good try. Okay, but I'm very glad all the students are attentive. Everybody is raising the queries. I'm very glad, very happy. Because now your query is very important for me. Huh? GRN is a different concept. Ranjit, I'll tell you. GRN is a different concept. Very good, very good. So many students, like all the students, I'm sure are attentive and they are like raising the query continuously. They are answering me, they are raising the query. I'm very happy. Very happy. Okay. So first, like out of these queries, I feel everybody wants what is the treatment in case of discount? Everybody wants. Because I already explained in my sessions, previous sessions, but no matter. I'm again going to explain in this session also. Okay. So first I'm going to give you the clarification on discount. How, like, what should be the treatment in case of discount? Okay. So how many types of discounts are there? How many types of discounts are there? How many types of discounts are there? Everybody from accounting background, na? Everybody from accounting background. Purchase is in half and half in credit. Yes, Muskan, we can do. You should take the cash and then for another you can create the reference. Okay, later on we will check. How many types of discounts are there? Yes, 2. I don't know your name, but I can like read your answer. That is 2. Because see, name is not there. Anonymous is there. Just write down your names, huh? Just rename your login ID. So how many types of discounts are there? 2. One is cash discount and second one is trade discount. 2 types of discounts are there. One is cash discount and second one is trade discount. So like for both the discounts, what treatment I can provide in the tele? Okay. So what treatment I can provide and how I can provide the treatment for the discount in tele. So first, yes. I'm agreed with everybody. Everybody almost I'm having so many answers. Cash and trade discount. Very good. No 6 types of discount. Just give me the names of discount. 6 types of discount. Only 2 types of discounts are there, right? Okay. So start working for the discount. Presently, I'm going to give you the example of trade discount. Trade discount is a discount which will not take reflect in P&L. Trade discount is a discount which will not take reflect in the P&L. Agreed? Agreed? Trade discount is a discount which will not take reflect in the P&L. it will only affect your cost. It will only affect your cost or price. It will only, now Tejeshwar, trade discount, it should be recorded. Trade discount should be recorded, but it will not reflect your P&L. It will reflect your cost. Okay, it will reflect your cost. So firstly, I am going to give you the example of trade discount. Okay. So suppose I again purchased the items from Charles Technology. So invoice number 04. And I purchased from Charles Technology, and Charles Technology provides me the trade discount. Charles Technology provides me the trade discount. So just press F11 key. F11 key for the features. F11 key for the features. In the features, there is an option use discount column in invoice. Use discount column in invoice. Set it yes. It will not reflect your financial report. Only it will affect your cost. Because by allowing the trade discount, your cost will be reduced. If you are receiving the trade discount, then your cost will be reduced. And if you are selling the item and you are providing the trade discount to the customer, then your price will be reduced. Is it? Is it clear? Control A. Now, computers. I purchased the computers then at the rate of 40,000. But Charles Choice Technology gives me the discount of 1%. Now my cost is reduced. How much cost is there now? How much cost is there? 39,600. 39,600. 39,600. Is it? Understood? Understood? Right? Enter, 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 enter. And then new reference. Because see, if I'm selecting here the against reference, so this is again the credit balance. So I should create a new reference. Then it will increase the credit balance. Total credit balance will be increased. Now you can check your computer cost will be reduced. How you can check? Display more reports. Then statement of inventories. There is an option of stock query computers. See, here is your cost is 39,600. 39,600. This is and then the average cost is 39,916. How we calculate the average cost? How we calculate the average cost? Total amount divided by number of items. Total amount divided by number of items. Then it will calculate your average cost. Is it? Everybody understood trade discount? Understood na trade discount? Okay, Ritik, I am going to like at the end of the session, I am giving you the explanation on backup. Okay. To move the stock query, like, see, statement of first you should come to the switch to the gateway of Tally. Then there is an option of display more reports, statement of inventory, stock query. And for what you want to query, stock for which item you want query, for computers, isn't it? Anybody else? Repeat. What you want to repeat? Somebody written here, repeat. What should I repeat? Is the trade discount you missed? See, to trade discount, first you should, while passing the voucher, suppose now you want to sell, you want to make the sales, like you want to make the bill. Okay, so first you should press F11. And here there is an option of use discount column in invoice. Use discount column in invoice. Then you are getting the discount column, trade discount. Now suppose local data account, control A, sales. Then see there is a column, separate discount column. And it will not take reflect in your P&L. Suppose I sold out 10 computers. And I already provided the 1% discount. Enter, then new reference. And you can check the P&L. No discount is there because no discount ledger we created yet. Because that is trade discount. That was trade discount. Okay. Now tell me. Is it clear? No. Like Sanskar, there is no effect of trade discount in audit. No any changes in audit. In a F11 key, there is a one option that is use discount column in invoice. Fine. Okay. Now, next thing. Now you want cash discount. You want cash discount. You want to allow the cash discount or you are getting the cash discount. So if we are getting the cash discount, then you have to create a discount received account under indirect income. Because in that case, indirect income will be there. And if you are giving the discount to the customer, that is discount allowed. So in that case, that is indirect expenses is there. So we will work with both. Okay, vouchers. Suppose we are purchasing in cash. We are purchasing in cash. Cash. This is the cash invoice. Okay. F2 1/12, 1st December. Cash. Party name should be cash. Okay. And you can mention here the details of the party to whom you are purchasing. For example, you are purchasing from Choice Technology, but it is in cash, so you cannot select the party name Choice Technology. You should select the cash in a party name. Okay. And purchase computers. You purchase the computers 5 in cash. No trade discount is there, but discount received is there, cash discount is there. So enter. Just create a one discount received account under indirect expenses. Income, sorry. Control A. And how much discount you are receiving? You should specify the percentage. And percentage should be in the negative sign. Why should be in the negative sign? Because discount should be less from the amount. So -5. See, automatically it is taking 10,000 rupees. -5. Automatically it is taking 10,000 rupees. And it is deducting from the total amount. And cash discount will take reflect in P&L. You can check. See, here is a cash discount. The discount received 10,000 rupees. Is it? Is it clear? Same thing, while selling in cash, suppose cash sales is there, F8. Cash account. Okay, and you can mention the customer name. For example, okay, she purchased from your company one computer in cash. And you provided the cash discount. So you should not mention here the percentage in the discount, separate discount column. You have to create, because see, after entering, it is asking for the item. The item, we don't want to make the invoice for another item. Then, or see, discount allowed. Indirect expenses. Control A. Now same, -2%. Minus sign should be there because you want to deduct the amount from the total amount. Now, enter. Then you can check the P&L. See, discount allowed is there. Is it clear? Is it clear? So we completed both the discount, cash discount and trade discount. Yes, we have to, for cash discount, we have to create the separate discount ledgers. Okay. In Tally, some manual work is also there. It is not possible. In Tally, there is no feature is there, automated accounting posting. But later on in Tally, AI will be there. AI is artificial intelligence. But presently it is not. So now we are moving to the 3-step purchase and 3-step sale. Okay. 3-step purchase and 3-step sale. Soumya, cash discount you want to check again? Okay. See, now you want to check complete transactions. Day-to-day transactions, complete transactions from 1st April. So there is a one day book report. Enter Alt F2, 1st April to 1st December. See, all the transactions are here. And Alt F1 for the detail mode. Is it clear? Because so many students are asking, how can we check all the transactions? Okay. Cash discount. Okay, Sangeeta, I'm going to repeat the cash discount. Okay. Now, suppose, again, I'm going to make the cash sales. Okay, I'm going to make the cash sales and I want to provide the cash discount. In that case, cash discount is my expenses. It should be under indirect expenses. Two types of discounts are there. One is trade discount. Second one is cash discount. Trade discount will not take reflect in P&L. Will not reflect to your net profit. But yes, it will affect your gross profit. Why? Because it will reduce your price or cost. If trade discount is in purchase, then it will reduce your cost. If trade discount in sales, then it will reduce your price. Then it will reflect in gross profit. It will reflect your gross profit. But if cash discount is there, in case of sales, cash discount is your indirect expenses. Definitely it will reflect your net profit. And in the case of cash purchase, discount received is your indirect income. It will be treated as your indirect income. Then it will reflect your net profit. Isn't it? I'm sure now it is clear. Only the treatment. I'm going to give the treatment. How? First, you should select the party cash. Because if the cash sales is there, then you cannot create the party. You cannot create the party ledger. You cannot increase the party's balance because party is going to be paid in a cash now. So cash party name should be cash. Then sales. Computers. One computers I sold. Trade discount should not be there. Then laptops also I sold one. Now enter. After entering, it is asking from another item, but there is no item. Enter. After, like, the cursor is now after total. So discount is allowed. You have to create the discount allowed. Control enter to alter the ledger. You have to create the discount allowed under indirect expenses. Then minus 5%. Why minus? Amount should be, discount should be deduct from total amount, na? So that's why you have to press minus. If you are not pressing the minus, see 1,38,005, then it is adding the amount. So you should press here the minus 5%. Is it clear now? I'm sure this is clear. Okay. Yes, please have patience. I'm going to give you the explanation on 3-step purchase and stationary purchase on credit. I read your query. Okay, Ravindra, I'll next time I'll send the illustration. Okay. Should I finish the discount topic? Should I finish the discount topic? Function key will work with function Fn key. Fn key is given in the left side of laptop's keyboard between the Control Alt key. Should I finish the discount topic? Okay. Now we are moving to the 3-step purchase. In the 3-step purchase, when your company have the policy, before purchasing, you should pass the purchase order. Before purchasing, you should pass the purchase order. And after purchase order, you have to take reference of that purchase order. In that case, 2 references will be generated. One for order, second for purchase. One for order, second for invoice purchase. And then while making the payment, same against reference, you have to make the payment. So this is known as 3-step purchase. Isn't it? Understood? 3-step purchase. 3-step purchase means it depends upon your company policy. If your company policy says, before purchasing, you should pass the purchase order. And before sales, you should have the sales order. Like suppose you want to purchase 2-wheeler. So what is the system to purchase the 2-wheeler? First, you have to make the sales order. First, you have to make the sales order. Then only you can purchase. Because see, If you want to purchase the two-wheeler from the showroom, then first you have to put the purchase order there. And then while, like, according to the availability of vehicles, they will give you the call, and then only you can purchase the vehicle. First you have to pass the purchase order. Isn't clear? So all thing is depend upon the company policy. All thing is depend upon the company policy. Okay. So if you wish to generate the purchase order, so here is no voucher name of the purchase order. Here is no voucher name with purchase order. So just press F10 key. In a F10 key, there is an option of show inactive. By default, it is inactive. By default, orders vouchers are inactive. So first you should active. And then there is an option of purchase order. See, inventory vouchers, order vouchers, purchase order. Control F9 is a shortcut key for the purchase. You need to active the purchase order voucher type. You want to active now? Yes. Now purchase order. But before passing the purchase order, we should check our inventory. Stock summary. How many computers are remaining? 34 computers are remaining. 34 computers remaining. Purchase order will not reflect our stock. Purchase order, by after generating the purchase order, you can check stock summaries. We have 34 computers. Now I pass the purchase order to party Choice Technology. And more term of payment, other reference, term of deliveries, dispatch through, destination, everything you can mention here. Control A. Control A. You should generate one order number. So PO-01. It can be alphanumeric, it can be numeric, anything. Then purchase. Entry will be same as we already completed the purchases. For computers, we are generating the purchase order. It will due within 15 days. It will due within 15 days. And how many quantities? 10 quantities. 34 computers we already have. So, like after passing this purchase order, can we check our inventory? Inventory will increased or not? Because we passed the purchase order for 10 purchase, for 10 computers, we pass the purchase order. And the order number is PO-01. PO-01. So we can check, still we are having 34 computers. Why? Because still purchase order is there. Purchase is not there. Purchase order is there. Okay, purchase is not there. Purchase order is there. So you can check display more reports, statement of inventories. There is an option of purchase order outstanding. Enter. Stock item, computers. See, it is outstanding order. But it is not overdue. Why? Because recently we passed the purchase order entry and still 1st December is there. In case we forget to purchase against that purchase order, we forget to purchase against that purchase order, then this is presently 1st December is going on. And F2 on 31st December, I make one payment. I made one payment. All see salary, account, indirect expenses, 25,000. I made a payment on 31st December and I forget to purchase the order against. I forget to make the purchases against that order. Okay. Now you can check. Display more reports. Statement of inventories. Purchase order outstanding. Stock item. Okay. Now you can check. 15 days are overdue. 15 days are overdue. Why? Why 15 days are overdue? Why it is showing me the 15 days are overdue? This is known as three-step purchase. Why it is showing me the 15 days are overdue? Reply me. I'm waiting for your reply. How it calculated the 15 days? How it calculated the 15 days? I purchased on 1st December. While passing the purchase order, I mentioned then purchase order will be due on 15 days. But 31st December, I already enter one entry on 31st December. So due date is lapsed. Yes, Tejeshwar. Correct. Because of the due date, it is giving me the counting 15 days are overdue. See, 15 days are overdue. Now, in case, now I want to purchase. Okay. So second step, I want to pass the entry, purchase entry. Okay. Invoice number 06. The moment I select the choice technology, it is giving me, it's not giving me the orders. See, it should give me which order is remaining for. It should provide me the list of orders that is remaining for choice technology. So just press F12 key. There is an option of provide order details. Yes. F12 key, F11 and F12 key, both are the very useful keys. Provide order details, Control A. Now you can check. See, order number. See, it is giving me the order number. This order. Against this order, I want to purchase it. Is it clear? Control A. Control A. Enter. Or complete entry is there. It automatically extracted that entry because on that order number, 10 number of quantity was there. 10 number of quantity was there. So I can edit it. Now I don't require 10. I only required 8. Control A, Control A. I should generate a one reference. Is it? Thank you. Is it clear? Now, still PO is outstanding. It is showing me the PO is outstanding. Display more reports, statement of inventory, purchase order outstanding. Then stock item. See, it is showing me 2 numbers are still remaining. Because I only purchased the 8. Then I can pre-close the order. Now I don't require it. So I can pre-close it. Alt W, Alt W. Why? Like how much quantity I want to pre-close it to? I don't want. Then reason for pre-close. Not required. Enter. And closed on 31st December. Now it is not there. If you want to check the purchase order outstanding, then no purchase order outstanding is there. But you want how like the orders which already pre-closed. So F12 key. Show pre-closed already. See, show opening orders. Yes. Show orders booked. Yes. Show cleared order. And pre-close also. F12. enter. You can check. And F9 for orders. F9 for orders. Purchase order outstanding, sellable stock, sales order outstanding, stock in hand. From here you can check stock in hand also. Is it clear? Now purchase order outstanding is not there. Only order booked 10, order cleared 10. 2 is pre-closed. Is it? Pre-close orders. Is it clear? Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Now, against like order I purchased. So 2 step is there. Now 3 step. Third step is while making the payment, you have to create a payment voucher. F5, choice technology. Against which reference you want to pay? Invoice number 6, 3,20,000. Or you, if you wish, you should pay like complete amount. Then all the references should be selected. See, all the references should be selected. And you pay cash only 13,65,500. 13,65,500. Then rest is your discount. Discount received. Enter. Is it clear? So 3-step purchase we completed. In the next step, we will complete the 3-step sell. For that, we should generate the sales order. Enter, enter, enter. Any query regarding the purchase order? Okay. Now, sales order. Suppose I received the sales order from Ronald. I received the sales order from Ronald. So first you have to press Control F8. But Control F8 is not active. So again press F10. F10 then show inactive. Then there is an option of sales order. See here. Control F8. Yes, active. Now entry will be same, Ronald, but it will not affect your P&L. It will not affect your stock summary. Ronald. Control A, Control A. You have to assign a one order number SO-001. Sales account. Then computers. 15 days, same. Then quantity is 10. Rate automatically will be there. Then laptops. 15. Then 5. Negative stock. I don't have laptops much more. See, if you wish, like suppose you forget the price of the laptop. You forget the price of the laptop, or you forget how like laptops, you purchased the laptops from where and what is the average cost and everything. Then from here you can press Alt S for stock query. Alt S for stock query. Alt S for stock query. Okay. Then here from here you can check cost price is 65,000. Standard selling price is 75,500. Then again press escape. Enter, enter, enter. Enter. Now again you want to save this order and you want to check this order. Okay. After like F2, then you again forget to, because see, like Ronald doesn't presently, you're not, you forget to make the sales. Okay, you forget to make the sales. In 31st January is there. 31st January, and you make the payment for salary or anything salary. Again, you make the payment of salary 20,000 in cash. Then you can check the sales order outstanding. Display more reports. Statement of inventory. See, now it is coming. Previously, only purchase order outstanding was there, but now it is sales order outstanding. Enter. Stock item. See, enter. 16 days are overdue. Why 16 days? Same thing. Previously, we already seen, na? Right? And if we use all orders, then F8. Then here is again the new report, that is a statement of inventory books, sale order book. Here you can check all the order whether it is due or not. You can check all the orders whether it is due or not. Right? Same thing, purchase order book. You can check all the orders. Though you completed the orders, but still it is showing you one order was there. And enter. You can check complete order entry. Right? Now, same second step. In the second step, you have to generate the bill. Sales, choice technology, or Ronald. Enter, 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 enter. See, suppose in case you forget to select the order number and you make the bill. You forget to select the order number and you make the bill of computers. Not applicable. You forget to select. Okay. 10. Laptops. Not applicable. You forget to select the order number. Then what will be the effect? Please tell me. What will be the effect? What will be the effect if you forget to select the order number? Okay. Once again, I'll give you the explanation on purchase order. Okay, okay, no issue. But first you should check the sales order. Okay. I forgot to select the purchase order. I made the bills, but I forgot to select the against that purchase order. Then what will be the effect? Yes, Sanskar, like there is a way, like in the sales voucher only it should provide the debtors, and in the purchase voucher it should provide only the creditor. The concept is there. I'll tell you in the sessions. Presently I'm not giving you the concept of delivery note. I'll give you later on. Now first answer me. What will be the effect if I forget to select the order number? Because I made the bill. And against the bill, I forget to select the against order number. Then what will be the effect? Because there will be no, Kishore, there will not be mismatch. Only it will reflect your purchase order, sales order outstanding. It will still reflect your, see, display more report, then statement of inventory, sales order outstanding. Still it is showing me the sales order outstanding. See, still it is showing me the sales order outstanding. So we already purchased that order. We already purchased. So it is also showing me the purchase order outstanding. So to avoid the mistakes, you should select the against reference. So day book, sales, here order number should be there. This one, end of list. Control A, Control A. Then order number. You should correct the entry. Isn't it? Now you can check the purchase order outstanding. Display more reports. Statement of inventory. Sales order outstanding. Sorry. No sales order outstanding is there. Stock item. See, no order is there. No order is pending. Now you can check F9. Sales order complete. Outstanding is not there. Okay. Then sellable stock. I'll tell you this report. Then if you wish, no, you want to check the clear order also. So just press F12. Order booked and order cleared order. Control A. And here is a report, that is statement of inventory books, sales order books. See, one order is there. Is it clear? Okay. Now, next. How many computers I am having? I can check in the stock summary. I have 32 computers. I have 32 computers. So I can only sell the 32 computers. But suppose I got the 40 computers order. Vouchers, then control F8. And I got the 40 computers order from Ronald. Then sales order 2. I got 40 computers orders. It is showing me the negative stock. It is showing me the negative stock. I cannot sell the 40 computers because I am having only the 32 computers. Okay, so still I already got the order of 40 and I record the order. So from here, display more reports, statement of inventory, then sales order outstanding. Here is option given, that is orders, sellable stock. Stock in hand minus sales in. Because 8 computers, because you got the 40 computers orders. So 8 computers you have to purchase, otherwise you have to fulfill only the 32 computers order, sales order. Is it clear? Is it clear? I'm sure orders, everybody got like what is order exactly? Tejeshwar, now I'm sure you got the like answer of your query. Yes, see, Tejeshwar query, Tejeshwar, if you, okay, fine. See, first, see, I'm having the orders of 40 computers, but I cannot sell the 40 computers because I am only having the 32 computers. So I want to sell 30 computers. So F8 and party name is Ronald. Just select the order number. On this order, I'm having 40 computers order. I can edit over here now, 32. I can edit. Like it can be less, it can be more. It depends. It can be less, it can be more. Isn't it? Isn't it? I'm sure everybody like satisfied by the answer. Soumya, on account, in that case, when we don't want to maintain the bill wise details, so just select the on account. Okay. So many students are asking for the purchase order and sales order. But like I'm sure after like entering this entry, everybody understood what is purchase order and what is sales order. 3 steps of purchase and 3 steps of sales. Is it clear? Should I move for the next? Anybody wants like anything is still it's not clear, raise the query. Otherwise, I am moving ahead. Next feature I am telling. Okay, everybody is asking for the submit the assignment now. Okay, fine. See, first of all, regularly I am providing you the assignments. You have to complete yourself and please save it in a one folder. Just create a one folder of the assignments and save it. And after like few days, like when you like completed the assignments, because still it is not completed. 4 or 5 session is only over. So after completing all the assignments, I'll tell you one email ID you should send at my email ID. So first you should save it in your computers now. You should save it in your computer. Order concept is clear. Thank you, Karan. Thanks a lot. Now I'm sure your query is completed now. So I'm moving for the next feature. Is it clear? In a Tally, there is no need to save it separately. Tally will automatically save your company. Tally will automatically save your company. See, okay. I'm giving you the example, okay? I'm sure like Institute will upload the recording on your channel. I'm not sure, because see, you should ask to the admin person. So if the recording will be there, then you can like listen it very carefully. See, in a Tally, there is no need to save the separately. See, you're passing the transactions. You're passing the transactions and your transactions are saved. First 4 to 31st January. Your transactions are saved. So there is no need to separate it, save it separately. Then your company is 4th session example. 4th section example. And where I created this company? See Kavita online sessions. So you can find out in your folder, see Kavita online sessions. See, All the see, I created the company on 5th February. 5th February. This is the company name. Please do not rename it. If you rename it, then it will get corrupt. Tele will not open it. Okay, there is no need to save it separately. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Just make a one folder and then create the company on that folder. That's it. Is it clear now? There is no need to save separately. That's it. Now, please do not raise the query. Where should I submit the assignment? Just saved it in your computer folder. Just make a folder in your computer and then later on I'll tell you one ID and you should send all the companies, whatever I provide you to as assignments, send it to that ID. But not right now, because only 4 or 5 sessions are over. Okay. Okay, fine. So I'm sure, please do not ask again and again. No, not kavitanavlani@gmail.com. Yes, assignments are mandatory. So we are moving to the next feature. Huh? Okay. So according to time, I'm giving you the explanation on MIS. MIS means Management Information Report. Management Information Reports. All the reports which required by the management, they are built in Tele. Automatically Tele will make these reports. There is no need to separately make these reports because Tele is a software, accounting software. It integrates all the modules. All the modules means you pass the purchase transactions. It will reflect immediately in the P&L. You cannot check first. See, there is no trail. You cannot check the audit trail. For example, audit trail is what? First, you have to pass the journal entry. Then you have to post the balances in the ledgers. Then after after opening the ledgers, then ledger balances should be posted in the trial balance. Then from the trial balance, you have to generate the financial statements, P&L, balance sheet. Okay, but here, once you pass the entry, automatically reports will be generated. Management Information Reports, MIS. So if you wish, balance sheet should be there. You want to check the balance sheet, you can check the balance sheet. Alt F1 is a shortcut key for the detail mode. You can check the balance sheet. You can change the format of balance sheet by pressing F12. Show percentage, you want to show the percentage. Then format of report, detailed. Because I press the, and you want vertical balance sheet, yes. See, now the balance sheet in a vertical format and percentage is there. Balance sheet is in a vertical format and percentage is there. Is it clear? This is known as MIS. Okay, next. Tele, there is Aisha, there is no need to create the Tele company folder. Tele will automatically create the company folder. You didn't attend my first lecture? In a first lecture, I told you Like when you create a company, Tally will automatically create a one folder with number 1 lakh. Please check all the lectures. Huh? Please attend all the lectures because all the lectures are in sequence. In the first lecture, I already told. Yes, I'm like Nagma, I'm going to repeat the MIS report. See, MIS is Management Information Report. Management wants from your side balance sheet, P&L, stock summary. So many reports are there that they are known as MIS. We can like build the MIS using the Excel also. But in a Excel, manual work is there. So instead of Excel, you can work with Excel. Tally. Tally is an accounting package. In a balance sheet, see, this is your balance sheet. Now you can set the format of this balance sheet by pressing F12. Percentage you want to show. And you don't want vertical balance sheet. So set it no. Control A. See? Right? And again press F12. Exclude accounts with zero balance. You don't want like accounts which have zero balance. You don't want to show in your reports. So just set yes. Then it will not show the accounts with zero balance. Okay. Same thing, you can check the MIS of P&L. Management Information Report, that is P&L. Again, you can change the format of P&L by pressing F12 key. You want percentage. You want format of report vertical profit and loss account. Control A. See, here is a vertical profit and loss. Is it? Then stock summary. Alt F2 from 1st to 31st January. F12. See, presently no stock is there. So F12. Show goods inwards. Show rate, show value, show opening balance. Show goods inwards, show goods outward. Then gross value for outwards. Consumption and gross profit. Percentage also. Control A. See? Okay. Then you want a monthly column. Monthly column. So Control N. Sorry, Alt N. Alt N. Monthly. See. For all month is created the column. It is 1st April to 31st, 30th April. It is 1st May to 31st May. It is 1st June to 30th June. It is 1st July to 31st July. Monthly column you can check. Okay. So this is stock summary. Ratio analysis. Everybody knows what is ratio analysis? Because ratio analysis will provide you the exact, clear and crystal picture of your company. Calculation, see, apart from this calculation, you have to calculate the ratios for analysis purpose. Gross profit ratio 32.34%, net profit ratio 31.41%, operating cost 68.59. All the ratios are there, and turnover in days. I'm sure you know what is turnover in days. Return on investment, ROI. Net profit divided by capital account plus net profit, because net profit भी capitalized होता है. Return on working capital. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. Next. Now escape. Display more reports. And then trial balance. This is your trial balance. This is your trial balance. Again, you can check the trial balance according to the period wise. 1st April to 31st July. 1st April to 31st July. Then day book. The day book regularly we are checking. Then cash flow. This is very important, you know. Cash flow. See, it is showing you the graph also. It is showing you the graph also. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Cash flow. Inflow and outflow it is giving you. Then fund flow. Then account books, all the ledgers, cash and bank book. Same cash flow is there. Then group summary. How many daters you have? You can check by selecting the sundry debtor group. How many daters? Local daters and Ronald. How many creditors you have? You can select by only one creditor, local creditor. Okay, and stock in hand. Presently, no stock in hand is there. Then current assets, current liability. This is your current liability. Is it? Then group vouchers. How many receipt you passed? So, and for purchase or like for current assets, for current liability, how many vouchers you passed? We passed the capital account one, right? Salary voucher is there now for indirect expenses. Only one voucher is there, salary. And if you wish, then 1st April to 31st January. Indirect expenses. Because in the sales, discount is there, that is our indirect expenses. And salaries are indirect expenses. Okay. And income indirect, the same purchase, because at the time of purchase, we received the discount. Alt F2, 1st April to 31st January. See, we received the discount now, that is our indirect expenses, income. Next is contra register. Still, we don't have any entry for contra, but payment register we have. In April, we made one payment. May, we made one payment. In July, we made two payments. Then in December, we made two payments. In January, we made one payment. Receipt registers. See, all the registers are there. Sales registers. According to the month-wise sale, it is showing me the month-wise sale. And purchase register. Debit note register. We already passed the debit note now. Only June. Then credit. Then clarification, you have to verify the vouchers. But later on, we will understand. Now, please raise the query if anything is remaining. Any query is remaining from my side. You should complete the assignment. At the end of the class sessions, we will discuss about all the assignments. So please do not raise the query regarding the assignments. Okay. You have to complete. Ma'am, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Why you are not getting? Why you are not getting? How to make folder? Aditi, there is no need to make the folders. I'm sure like so many students who is asking for like query and then the folder, they didn't attend the first session. Anything else? See, if you want to understand the tele in a proper manner, the first thing that is very compulsory, please attend all the sessions and listen very carefully. And the best thing is you should have the laptops in front of you. And if you are not having the laptops, then listen carefully, make the notes. Please keep a notebook and a pen beside you. And just write down the notes and the shortcut key, whatever I'm telling here. And after the class, do the assignments. Okay. And otherwise, see, I'll do one thing. I'll give you the one assignment and simultaneously we will work on that assignment in a one session. Is it perfectly fine? I'm sure it will work nicely if we'll do the assignment simultaneously. Okay. So I'm sure like whatever the topics I explained here, everybody understood that topic. If any query, then definitely I'll give you the and again the explanation. So tomorrow in the tomorrow class, first you should do the assignments, and in the tomorrow class, definitely if the query will be there, then I'll give you the explanation again. One query is there, that is download the tab. No, phone or tab, not possible. Laptop or computers. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Bye and take care. Thank you. Bye. I'm leaving the session. Annapurna ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care.
Shall I end the class, ma'am? अच्छा खत्म हो गया, हमारे फोन करके निकल जाओ। ऑन करके निकल जाओ।